Alright, finally got it. So after about an hour of shooting and like 100 shots, I finally managed to hit 6 bullseyes. But as you can see, my target looks like it's about to explode and fall apart. So today I'm going to be reupholstering my bootleg ass target. And hopefully I'm able to bring it back to its former glory. And all I'm going to be using is my handy dandy masking tape. So after a few hundred shots, you can see the target is pretty banged up. It's not looking too pretty. Also, where it was hanging from, the little strap I left ended up ripping right off. So, I was just using the tape in the meantime. So what I'm gonna do is just reinforce all of this, tape it all up, make it look like it was brand new again. Good as new. Now all I gotta do is repaint the targets on them. String her up. The family and I together came up with this great idea for a shooting range. So we got a safe setup here, the target that I made. My brothers Michael and Joseph made this wood with some cardboard. We sprayed some targets on. Got that there, additional targets. And then we got a couple of layers in the background just to protect the arrows from going through. And this is what I'm going to be practicing with from here on out. You got it. 6 bullseyes. Past 2 weeks, my brother Mike and I have been working on different bow designs that are easy to make out of PVC. And with some help from my other brother Jay and my pop, we were able to create these views. So if you want to see a step-by-step on how to make bows similar to these, I'm going to include the link to Backyard Bowyer's awesome channel in the description below. He has a lot of great bow ideas from many styles like these. This one's the long bow. Got the tapered long bow with a bit of a curve. This one is a recurve bow. We also designed this bow rack out of some 2x3s and a few 9-inch pieces of dowel. And I finally got my compound bow set up with the D-loop and the peep sight installed. So it's all working pretty groovy now. I also took off the 4-pin sight in the meantime until I start shooting longer range. Then I'll throw it back on. Mike also got this really great idea for these PVC made release aids, and it was really simple to make. All you had to do was taper out the PVC, cut the pieces out, and then sand it so that it's nice and smooth. And we also got this quiver that we made out of some 2-inch PVC. Just slap the cap on the bottom, and we got some paracord strung through it so we can get it hanging.